Hi everyone, welcome again to the C++ series. Let's talk about this time about statements and expressions. Okay, first of all, an expression is anything that returns a value after performing a type of computation. It could be a plus b, okay, it could be a square root of any value that we can perform. Okay, in C++, we use expressions, for example, to assign these values to variables, okay, as well as an argument in a determinate function, and as well as conditions in our code. Now, statements are basic building blocks of a program to carry out certain actions, okay, without returning any values. At the end, we need to finish with the semicolon to recognize a statement. For example, a variable declaration. Okay, let's move on to the explanation. This is our first code to the last lesson. Now, as you can see, this is here an expression. Okay, we convert it here in a statement when we save it into the variable result. Okay, also this is an expression. You can see that this function returns a value, so this is just an expression also. Now, if we want to see is this in more detail, we just here we can include the library. Let's say CMath. Okay, this is the library to include some operations. Okay, so now we can say like using name space as well. Okay, std to the standard library. And now let's get rid of this. Let's keep the main function. Okay, now let's try to declare a variable here. Let's say double. Okay, let's call it x is equal to 25. As you can see here, as we end with a semicolon, this is a statement. Okay, we are declaring a variable as the explanation. Now, why we are declaring as a double? Because it's we're declaring a double precision variable, okay, and assigning the value of 25 when now let's continue. Let's say also is declared as a double is a result of square root of x, okay, using this math library. And then we just simply let's say as we are using the next, we can get rid of this. Okay, this is the result. Let's modify this one here. Let's put like the result, no, let's say square root of, okay, the square root of x, okay, this way is just like that. And we can specify this the result. Okay, we don't need this. We are using the standard library. Okay, and then as well, remember we need to return 0 this function. Okay, we finally use the cout statement to print the value of the result here to the console. Okay, now as well we need to build this. Okay, let's succeed it and control F5. Let's see, The square root of 25 is 5. Okay, remember that the statement as are the unit of code to execute, okay, in our program, as well as they are blocks of code, okay. Is if we can add some curly braces, it means that we can have several statements inside, okay. So let's see each other in the next section.